Back to the door. I said back to the house, both of you. Move it. Move it. Move it.
What is going on? Where is the mortuary receipt? It's over 30 minutes now since she told me she's on her way back. Tessie's house is not far from here. So what is keeping her from coming? What's going on? Why is he calling me? Hello?
I want to inform you that I've secured a mortuary receipt. But as I'm talking to you now, I am on my way to the mortuary. In fact, your wife will tell you the rest when she comes back. Thank you, Mogu. Idiots! Idiots! Nonsense!
Tessie, thank you so much.
It's fine.
You are a friend indeed.
What are friends for?
Like, I'm indebted. Thank you so much.
It's okay. It's okay. I want you to start going home because your husband will be worried about you now.
Hmm? Right. But once again, thank you. It's okay. I should. Thank you so much.
We'll talk on phone. I'll call you.
Of course, definitely.
What? Are you sure of you to just telling me now?
Mom, Azubi came met Choma at Tessie's house. And he collected the receipt from her. By now he should be at the mortuary.
Oh, Mamo! So finally, Arinze has been defeated. Okay, we have defeated him on this one.
Do you think it's that easy? The real war is about to start, Mom.
Mom, call your son to order. You are here, this is happening, right? Call your son, call Azubike. Yes, that means you are in support of what is happening. Call Azubike, tell him to return with that mortuary receipt immediately. Immediately! Because he is endangering his life and the lives of our family members. Call him now, tell him to turn back and return that mortuary receipt with immediate effect. Before it's too late. Before it is too late.
Stephen, no, I'm giving the mortuary receipt. Is it not your brother?
Mom, what did he mean that Azubike is endangering his life?
Whatever that means shouldn't be your problem. Trust me, nothing will happen. Now I am happy. That mortuary receipt is now at our disposal. We have it. Eh? No. We can quietly now plan for your father's burial ceremony. Come on, peace. Are you not tired? No. Me, I'm tired.
Mom, let's listen to him.
Wait, I don't know whose side you are.
I've been calling you. Yes, I've been calling you.
I was held hostage at one point by your brother.
What? At gunpoint?
Yes. He traced me to Tessie's place.
I don't get this. Why did you go to Tessie's house with the mortuary receipt? And how did you even find it?
I was searching for something and then I bumped into it. I saw it in the file. Baby, your mother almost caught me. She came in and threatened heaven and earth that she will ransack the whole place. I foresaw what would happen. Then I took it and sneaked out of this house to this place. I'm sure that they broke the door to know that I wasn't in the room.
Azubike broke my door?
Yes, who else?
How?
I give him the fake one.
What?
Tessie helped me forge the fake receipt. She foresaw that I might be in danger. So when he came with the gun, we just gave him that one. This is the main receipt.
Wow. This is the best thing you've done this year.
Baby, stop.
Come here. You needed to see how Azubike molested me on the phone.
He's a fool.
A big one at that. He thought he has won. Don't hate the player. Hate the game. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much.
That girl fooled me and gave me a fake receipt. She must pay for it.
Fake receipts? Where did she get it from? Honey, I told you that girl and her husband are up to something. Didn't I?
Do you know what the mortuary attendant told me aside the fake receipt?
No.
He said even if I come with the right receipt, that he will not allow me to see my father's corpse.
Why?
He said it was an instruction given to him by my own brother.
Your brother? How?
The mortuary attendant is so lucky that I was in a good mood. Else, I would have burned down that mortuary.
Honestly, what is happening? I really believe that these two are really up to something. They are.
Arinze is telling me. Arinze is pushing me.
Yes. Are you sure? Oh, this side.
Azubike,
Azubike, what are you doing? Why are you doing this now? This is your only brother. Do you want to shoot your only brother?
Azubike pulled the gun at me.
No, I'm from here. I'm from here.
Azubike pulled the gun on me.
Hey, brother Butu. He's your only brother.
Do you know the kind of insult I received because of this idiot? I went to the mortuary today. This idiot instructed the mortuary attendant never to allow any member of our family to see my dad's corpse. Is it fair? I said, move it! If you choose or if you call my name, I'll bust your head. I'm ready to pull this trigger. Move it! Move it! Move it!
Hey, can you just stop?
Move it! Move it! Move it! Move it!
Guys, stop! Please.
Move it! Move it! Move it!
What is going on with Chief Ume's family?
Eric, I'm sick and tired of that family issue. If they have decided not to bury Chief, let it be.
Who is talking about Chief Ume's burial? Or have you not heard what happened?
Yes, I heard nothing. Please, tell me what happened.
That his two sons, that they were struggling over a gun, and accidentally Zubi was shot.
Zubi was shot? Is he dead?
How will I know? I heard he was rushed to the hospital, but I don't know if he's dead or alive.
Hey, what is their problem? Eh? Did they want to kill themselves? Why their father's corpse is still at the mortuary?
You know, the whole cause of this thing is that accusing their brother Rinze, that he's a ritualist, and having hand in their father's death.
I heard it too. But how possible is it? Arinze was Shifume's favorite child. He loved him too.
Che, you are right. But you know, human beings can never be trusted.
They should take it easy. Before they make a mistake, they will regret for the rest of their life.
Ichie, the worst part is that Udeze is not helping matters. He's not helping matters at all. Imagine the other day he accused Chairman of collecting bribe from Arinze.
Man. Eric, please and please. I don't want to talk anything about Udog. He's totally a disgrace to this community. Leave his matter alone. His dog is nobody in this our community. Please, I will go in. See you next time.
Got it.
What is happening there? I don't know. How did she go down, please? I'll go now. What's the matter with my son? Nurse, I thought this nurse was... No. I'm getting out of nurse, please. Nurse. Nurse, your colleague has escaped. She didn't say anything to us. Please, can you please help me? Tell me the condition of my son.
Okay, ma'am, please calm down. They are saying they will tear, so you have to calm down.
Is that why she was run up and down like that? Please, I don't want anything to happen to my brother. Please, you need to help us, please. No,
I cannot see what happened to your brother.
You should
just calm down.
This is the husband we are talking about. I don't want to be alone. Please. Help me out. Don't talk to the doctor, talk to anybody. Baby, take your call. I said take your call. Take your call. Ha! Why are you not taking your calls, Arinze? Why? My husband, why are you not taking your calls? Why? Jesus. God, please don't let anything happen to Azubike. Chukubiko, don't let anything happen to Azubike. If anything happens to Azubike, my husband will go to jail. Opa murder case. And then his mother will send me out of his house. They will ask me to leave this house. I took him to bed. God, please. Please, I don't want to leave my husband. I don't want to. Please. Hey. Azubike, you will not die. 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 It was a dream. God forbid. God forbid. God forbid. Hey. Hello, Chizawa. Another, please come to my room. Come over to my room now. Oh, Guanoro. What is it? Chizoba, I had a terrible dream. In that dream, Arinze shot angrily and Azubike dead. I was so terrified. Jesus. I was so scared for my life. I was so frightened. And I woke up, behold, it was a dream.
Hi. Mom, I was awake when you called me. I could not sleep.
Why?
I don't know. I was afraid for no reason. Mom, I think you should do as Mr. Igbe, the chairman, said. We need to have another meeting. Yes.
Hi.
Honestly, since after that dream, I've not been myself. I was so scared that I had to quickly run to your sister downstairs. And we were downstairs till late. We couldn't sleep. Huh.
Mom, please go straight to the point and say whatever you want to say. I've not taken my drugs and time is going. Please.
So what I said wasn't serious enough?
Please calm down. This is a serious matter. You can go and take your drugs. Maybe we'll wait for you.
Sorry. Careful now. Sorry.
Chizoba, are you really talking to me in that manner? Have you lost it?
Please don't talk to me like that. What's wrong with you? Eh?
Chizoba, if you talk to me like that, I'll slap you. Are you mad?
Don't shut me up. Don't shut me up. Don't.
Azubike, please calm down. What is wrong with you? We are talking in a low voice and you are hiding your own. Already you know the tensions are high. Can you calm down?
On one hand, Chizoba, are you actually talking to me in that manner? Chizoba, look at me. I got this bullet wound because I was fighting for our father to be buried. And now... Jesus.
Sorry.
And now you have the guts to talk to me in that manner, Chizoba.
You know what? I'm no longer interested. If you like, bury your father in 2 years' time. It's none of my business. Mom, you heard me.
Azubike.
Is he not your father? Eh?
God.
Can you keep quiet? What did I say? I don't know why you like running your mouth, especially when you see trouble coming.
What did I say?
Jesus.
What did I say? Did I say anything?
If there is resounding slap that will correct your head and know what you said and what you have not said, idiot.
This one, everybody is shutting me up.
Shut up!
My dear, I am very happy. Wait, are you saying that Zubi actually consented to abide to your husband's plans?
Babe, he has not really consented, right? But my husband says he will speak to him again.
He just has to. He has to.
He doesn't have a choice. He doesn't have a choice. My mother-in-law, my sister-in-law, and all the uncles, everybody has agreed. So Zubi does not have a choice.
So when is your husband planning for the burial?
I don't know for that. I don't know for now. I don't know.
Have you asked him?
No. But babe, listen. That one is not a problem. The main issue here has been resolved. So that's the problem. Sincerely.
You are right, my friend. You are right. I thank God for this. You know, there is nothing like peace in a family. Nothing like peace.
But sincerely, he has no choice. That's my thing. Sorry, excuse me. Hello? Yes, who's this? What? How? Where? When?
Please calm down.
Okay. Okay. Oh.
What is it, Choma? What is it?
It's my husband.
What happened to your husband?
I don't know. I don't know.
Calm down! Wait! Hold on now. Let me go with you. Let me at least lock the doors. Choma, hold on!
What is it? Can you come down and talk to me? What is it? Let me understand what you're saying.
No, he was shot by unknown men.
Who?
The caller said brother was shot on the arm
Which brother?
And they rush him to the hospital, Brother Rinze.
Oh!
Yes.
What happened?
I need 3 pints of blood.
Oh my goodness. What happened? Oh. How to go about this now?
I don't know.
What is going on? This one, nobody's talking to me.
Can't you see? Can't you feel it? That your enemy is with you. Can't you see it? Can't you feel it? Your enemy is with you.
On my land. What is the problem? But the way you were moving suggests that something is chasing after you. I just saw you and I know something is there. What is the problem?
Not a dog, no one is chasing after me. Haven't you heard?
Heard about what?
That Arinze was shot this afternoon by unknown gunmen.
Hey! What? Arinze was at my house this afternoon. What happened all of a sudden?
I don't know. I saw Mrs. Ume and her daughter on their way to the hospital and they told me.
Well, I hope he's alive.
I don't know.
Hey! For simple, but let me see. Who would have sent assassin against Arinze? Eh?
Now you I don't know.
Okay, let me go to my house. Did they tell you the name of the hospital? Eh?
They said it's the general hospital.
The general hospital? Yeah. But let me reach my house first. Because just... Hey!
What's now? Where's the doctor? Tell him that I'm here to see my husband. I've been here since now. He's wasting time. Because, please now.
The doctor is in the theater. And you soon be done. Please calm down.
Is he okay? Is he alive? No, where is that? Where is that? No, since I came, I've not seen him. I've not seen him since I came.
Okay, no problem. Let me ask them. Please, nurses, the nurse, how is my son? Is he still alive or dead?
Please, how is my brother? How is he? Is he getting better?
I'm sorry, ma. You can't see him at the moment.
Eh? Also?
Why?
I can't see anything.
I am the mother. I want to see him. He is my son.
Doctor.
How is my son?
You must be Arinze's mother.
Yes, I am his mother.
I'm the wife. Calm down. Everything will be fine.
They said mother, can you keep quiet?
Calm down. Please come with me to my office.
You don't come. They said mother. Doctor.
What did he say? Babe, my husband is still unconscious. That is why doctor said we cannot see him now.
God forbid. Unconscious. Was he that badly wounded?
I don't even know. Like, why would someone send assassins after my husband? What has my husband done? Like, what is the person's reason? I don't get. My husband cannot even hurt a fly.
Same thing I've been thinking. Like, I've been wondering why somebody would want to do that to me. Like, I don't know, but you have to calm down and take it easy. So that you don't hurt yourself in the process. You will be fine.
You're not more than you know. You're not more than my advice. That's the kind of friend you have. When I not conspire, they deliver. You, my son was shot, and you couldn't call to inform me. Choma, my what? What is ma? Did I meet you here on arrival? I met you here on arrival. That means you had information about this. Yet you hid it from me.
Choma, that is very bad of you. You should have called us. If I say that you're a bad person, they will say I have bad mouth.
Mom, I'm sorry. Please, it's not intentional. When they called me, I lost myself. So I had to rush down here. I didn't mean not to call you. Please, I'm sorry.
So how will I know it is not intentional? When you didn't even have in mind to call me. If anything should happen to my son, I will show you the kind of mother-in-law you have in me. If you talk again, I will send out of this hospital. Are you mad? Idiot. Okay? Just try me. Chizaba, wait for me, I'm coming. Okay. A few minutes.
You will not do anything. You will not. You do that do.
Chioma, why does your mother-in-law think you don't want to tell her about her son?
Yes, I don't know. Like, I do not know.
Mom, what I'm saying is that I'm a part of this family and I should be included in any plan being made about my dad's burial. Yes.
So, what are you trying to say?
My point is that I'm sorry the date you guys fixed for my dad's burial will not work because I was not part of it.
What do you mean you were not part of it?
Was I contacted when the decision was made?
Wait a minute. Did your brother not tell you about the meeting we held yesterday with your uncle?
Mom, you heard me. You heard everything I said. I don't like repeating myself. Tell your son Arinze to stop whatever plan he has on the 23rd. Because, you see that 23rd? That 23rd will be bloody.
Withdraw that statement forthwith. Are you threatening me or what?
Mom, I cannot! And I'm ready for any war, Mom! I am ready for any war! I'm ready!
What has come over this boy? Is he out of his mind or what?
Mom, why is he angry?
Angry? Go and talk to him. Because I will not have him cause another problem in this family. Go and talk to him now!
Mom, what's wrong with him?
Go and talk to your brother. Don't talk to me.
He's not your child.
But sincerely, who is here to kick against your decision? I
don't even know what gave him such guts.
Baby, even at that, he has no right to kick against your decisions in this house. And sincerely, it's high time you taught that boy some good lessons. Come, Mutife.
I won't touch him. He is my kid brother.
Okay, fine. And what if on that day of the burial it causes problems? What would you do?
He can't. Before the date of the burial, his head must have calmed down.
And if he doesn't calm down?
That's his business. It's not that serious.
Sweetheart, you know, you are the reason why this boy insults you in this house. That boy, he lacks manners. Okay. One day, is not your brother. He will beat me here one day and tell me that it was her. You tell me he's your brother.
Stand up for Iroko. Arinze, the first song.
What can I do for you?
Oh, Uncle, I'm here concerning my father's burial. Please, I want you to advise Arinze to forget about any plan he has about burying my father on the 23rd of this month. Because it will not work. Let him fix a meeting for us to choose a date.
I believe you left your house all the way to my place to talk to me about this. Why didn't you talk to your brother directly there? Why come here?
Uncle, I've told him and I'm here to tell you so that you will be my witness.
I don't want to be a witness to anything. Yes, I am tired and sick of all of this. Go home and talk these things out with your brother and leave me alone. I don't want your trouble anymore.
Uncle, is that what you have to say?
Yes, that is what I have to say. If you people want to leave your father in the mortuary to remain there until the second coming of Jesus Christ, so be it. And okay,
make sure you don't cross my compound on the 23rd. I'll make life miserable for anybody that crosses my father's compound that day. Yes. Tell Arinze I said so. Tell him I said so. Yes. Tell him I said so.
He's just lucky that I just finished some prayers. Look at this little one banshee coming here to challenge me. Anyway, like I told you people, if you want your father to rot there and form another generation or an oracle in the mortuary, let it be. No rapum guns wake.
Have you spoken to your brother since after yesterday's meeting?
I haven't. Is it necessary?
Of course it is. That's notwithstanding, you ought to talk to him. You owe him that. No matter what, he's still your younger brother. Same blood.
How am I supposed to talk to someone that behaves like a child? Someone that cannot think right? Yeah? Someone that flares up at any slide?
Why won't I flare up? Azubike this, Azubike that. What is it? What is the problem? I flare up because I'm being cheated in this family.
If I may ask, how are you being cheated in this family?
Oh, you don't know? You don't know? I'm waiting for you on the 23rd of this month. I'm fully ready for you. Fully ready for you.
What is wrong with you? How can you intrude on our conversation? We were having a calm conversation only for you to intrude on us and begin to talk rubbish.
Mom.
Have you lost it?
Everything is wrong with me, Mom.
Yes! Arinze thinks he's the only person that is relevant in this family. Yes, and that is why he treats me like one trash.
You are jealous of me. But let me tell you, you can never be me. I'm the first son and the first child in this family. I am the Iroko, the one and only Iroko in this community. The earlier you realize that, the better for all of us.
Okay, you're just fooling yourself.
Will you shut up?
Mom, please leave me alone now. Stop all this. Stop, please, stop. Who is elder brother of my foot? You're just fooling yourself. But listen, very soon, Uncle Dog will pass my message to you. Iroko, my house.
Oh my God, stop his face.
No, Uncle Dog will pass my message to you very soon.
Go and get a haircut.
Very useless idiot.
Everybody can get that. Go and get a haircut.
Look at your beard. Go and have a nice shave.
That's the old bar.
Go and have a nice shave, idiot.
Think your stance that you're my blood. I will have. One day I will shoot you here. Idiot. No, just about. I don't think. If I swear, had it been, it's not my blood.
Just try to condone his excesses. You know the kind of person he is. Try and make out time to talk to him. Sit him down.
I won't. I'm not here to train anybody. Who trained me? If he cannot receive common sense, let him rest.
Please excuse me. Okay. Can I please have just a few minutes of your time? I promise not to waste your time, please.
What is it? What do you want to say?
Okay. Can we sit?
No. I'm fine. Just be brief. Just talk to me.
Okay. It's about your husband and mine. You know, I'm sure you're aware that your husband has refused the date fixed for our father-in-law's burial.
Is this why you stopped me? I'm sorry, I don't want to talk about it.
Why? What's your reason?
You know the reason. Why are you pretending as if you don't know? Honestly, tell your husband that they are two in this house. They are two.
Only from the sound of your voice, I see that you are the one engineering your husband.
Of course I am. I am the one telling my husband to do everything. Okay? So please, your husband needs to do the needful. If not, there will be no peace in this family. Okay?
Okay, can you just take a deep breath? Calm down. I'll talk to my husband. But can you please talk to yours?
I'm sorry. I cannot talk to my husband. Thank you.
I see that she's even worse than her husband. They are in the same boat.
I want us to talk.
Mr. Man, I don't have any business with you, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Azubika, I said I want to have a word with you.
Arinze, and I said I do not have any business with you. Can you let me be now?
Azubike, your attitude in this house is becoming childish and too much. And let me tell you, it is not going to help anybody in this house.
Arinze, leave me and let me be. Let your attitude help the entire village. In fact, help the whole world. What's wrong is not of my business. Arinze, let me be. Arinze, I repeat, let me be, Arinze.
Are you shouting at me?
Of course I'm shouting at you because I told you earlier. I told you to leave me alone. How is it your business? I'm here all alone. Why did you come here to disturb me?
Azubike, you are shouting on me.
Of course I'm shouting at you and I'll shout again. What is your problem? Let me be.
Alright. I will let you be. But you will regret this.
It's you that will regret it. It's yours. Arinze, you must marry my father.
Agabulu mankegimana agadro.
What is going on? Wanani no ge wani mota.
Hey. Now you are fighting like a man.
Listen, Arinze will know that he is dealing with a matured man.
My guy, you needed to see the way all of them were bending down, begging me last night.
For real?
And I'm asking guys. But I told them no. I told them that it will not work and the man may not drop possible.
So what was their response?
They expected me to say yes to their plans, but I said no.
That is my man.
I said no.
I believe you. I told you.
My guy, we're not smiling. I had that church. You see that burial? They have to fix another meeting for us to choose a date for that burial. Yes! Even there, boy.
Wait. Are you serious about this you said? Or you are just ranting? Please, clear me.
Oga, listen to me as I'm talking to you now. Oga, isi Arinze pegon pekisi busikat. Okay.
Eh? Told you. Look at who is calling me.
That's my uncle. Guess what? I'm not gonna pick this call.
You're not acting like a man.
My nigga, I told you. And what if an
Man,
nothing is happening.
Jesus. 1:20 a.m. My husband is not back. Hey, where has he gone to? Switched off. Hey.
I noticed your husband hasn't come home. Where is he?
Mom, I don't know. I slept off and woke up to see that he's not back yet. I tried calling his number, but his number is switched off.
You slept off? Did he tell you you'll be going anywhere after work?
No, Ma. I'm just confused. Because since we got married, my husband hasn't slept out before or even stays out late. He doesn't do it.
Call him. Call him and keep calling him. Yes, you should be ashamed of yourself. You slept off. What gave you the joy to sleep? I thought you being with your husband would give you the joy and the comfort to sleep. You did not see him, yet you slept off. Call him and keep calling him. You slept off. Ola na atoro gi chetara ola na atoro gi.
Mom, good morning.
Are you aware Arinze didn't come back last night? I mean, Arinze, he didn't come back last night.
How is it my business?
As if he is your brother. It is your business. What are you talking about?
Brother, indeed. Mom, please, please, please allow me. Allow me, please. I'm very busy with my phone. Allow me. I thought you are aware that your son is a cultist.
Hmm?
Yes. You must have attended their court meeting last night.
I would not have you speak about my husband in such a manner.
Can you calm down?
Mom, please. Who is talking? Did anybody say anything?
Calm down.
Did anybody say anything? Mom, please. I can't take this. Tell this thing here to leave this place immediately. Tell this thing to leave this place immediately before I do something very stupid. Why would you be talking to me like that? Are you mad?
I don't blame you.
No, come on, blame me. Blame me, idiots. Blame me. Big for nothing.
Can you shut your mouth?
Mom, please, please.
What is wrong with you? I only came to ask after your brother. Let's talk about your brother and hear you yawning nonsense.
Mom, don't ask me again. I've told you where he was last night. Don't ask me again.
Maybe you think you're a baby. You think you're a child. This path you're trading, it will lead you to destruction. Rubbish.
Fighting every day.
Believe me, I have no reason to lie.
Arinze, you know sometimes you live a questionable life. Sincerely, because you get me confused. You need to have even heard what your brother said about you yesterday. Where you went to.
Nothing good will ever come out of Israel. Has my brother ever made sense? Don't take him serious. Take him serious at your own risk.
Babe, sometimes what seems not serious comes out to be serious. Yes.
You shouldn't be listening to him. Good morning, man.
Chama, when did he come back? Just Arize, where have you been? Where did you go?
Mom, I'm sorry, but this story is funny, but truth. I went to my friend's wife's birthday party. Mom, along the line, I got drunk. Yes, my phone even went off. Before I could realize what was happening, it was midnight. Driving myself back alone would be taking a big risk. So my friend gave me one room, I slept. Only for me to wake up and realize that my phone is off.
Really?
Yes.
A married man. You should be ashamed of yourself. I hope this story you corroborated is true. Excuse me.
What does she mean by that?
You are a suspect. Or if you mean, you are a pure suspect.
Which bank we rob?
I mean, suspect.
Tomorrow is the main day for the last challenge. I don't know how it's gonna be, but I must go on with the plan.
I know. What is it? You look very bothered. Ogini.
I'm thinking what tomorrow would look like.
Not again. Maybe I thought everything is settled now, right?
Yes.
So why are you not sleeping? Change you go now. Eh?
Don't worry, go to bed. I will join you soon.
Babe, look at your face. You're looking very stressed. Come on, let's go and sleep. Come take a shower so you can go to bed. Biko.
I need to be left alone. Go to bed. I will join you soon. Ijemoka Aboro, baby, come to bed. It goes beyond that.
But you'll not kill yourself.
I need to be left alone.
You must keep the secret. You must keep a more. Who can keep the secret for me? Who can I rely on? I don't want to destroy my family. I don't want to destroy what I bid for many years ago. Who can keep this secret for me? Everybody's judging.
Don't tell me you are still on your way to the Mazume's house.
What about you? You are out so late.
I went to my sister's place very early in the morning. I'm just coming back from there.
Okay, let's pray they have not gone to the mortuary.
They say it's 7:30. It's already 7:20, so we have 10 minutes left.
Okay, let's hurry and go so that we can meet up with them. And let's go.
Onakazima Kita lisiensi ezelebewu. You must keep the secret. You must keep a more. Who can keep the secret for me? Who can I rely on? I don't want to destroy my family. I don't want to destroy what I did for many years ago. Who can keep this secret for me? Everybody's judging me.
For 1 hour now, my husband has refused to take my calls. I don't understand. I don't know where he went to. People are outside. You are just impossible. You are impossible. I'm confused. I don't know what to do. Hey! Shema. Ma. Where is your husband? Where did he go? Mama, I don't know. What do you mean by you don't know? Mommy, I woke up this morning and could not find him in the room. I've been calling for over 1 hour. He's not taking my calls. And the phone is ringing.
Mom? What is going on? Where is Aaron?
Just hold on. His phone is ringing.
I don't want to destroy my family. I don't want to destroy what I did for many years ago. Who can keep this secret for me? Everybody's judging me. Papa, everybody's attacking me. Papa, everybody's judging me. Papa, everybody's attacking me. The pressure is too much. This attack is too much on me. I'm innocent of all these accusations. Papa, Mom, yeah, you're a maka. Everybody's judging me based on their dreams. Everybody's attacking me based on their feelings. Even my loved ones based on their dreams. Based on their feelings. Asinisi magaraka no be meshiraike akaramida magonowa. Asinisi magaraka no be meshiraike akaramida magonowa. Everybody's judging me, Papa. Everybody's attacking.
Okay, what's wrong now? What's happening? You know your kind of this. Fix this thing, come on here. Hello? I'm coming now. I said I'm coming. What's the problem? I'm coming.
What is the meaning of this? He is not picking his call. He is not picking my own call.
Shouting does not help matters. It's okay to relax. Listen, I brought us here so that we can put our heads together and know the way forward. Now that the situation is like this, what do we do? I want your opinions, please.
Chairman,
go ahead.
Like I said before, let us go to the mortuary and inquire if Arinze actually reported there.
You have a point there.
Sometimes he might be having challenges at the mortuary there that he wouldn't want anybody to know about.
A very good point.
There is no need going to the mortuary.
Why?
Arinze cannot go to the mortuary alone. All we have to do is to continue to call him until he takes our call.
Which person's airtime?
With your airtime call.
No. Chairman, I'm in support of what Mbamari said. It is a waste of time for us to go to the mortuary.
Otito de Legenso. Chairman, This is what we are going to do.
Is that not the sound of an ambulance? It is. And it's like that ambulance is coming our way.
Hold on. Does it mean that
you must keep the secret. You must keep a more. Who can keep the secret for me? Who can I rely on? I don't want to destroy my family. I don't want to destroy what I did for many years ago. Who can keep this secret for me? Everybody's judging me, Papa. Everybody's attacking me, Papa. Everybody's judging me, Papa. Everybody's attacking me. The pressure is too much. It's I'm innocent of all these accusations. Everybody's judging me based on their everybody's attacking me based on their feelings. Even my loved ones based on their dreams and their based on their feelings. I see my I
want to see my dad. Please open this.
I see my
Don't touch me. Be very careful. Be very careful. Be very, very careful.
What is all this? Chairman.
Respect yourself. Open this. I need to see this close. I need to see this close. I must see that.
Why are you silent? Say something. Why are you silent?
Nobody should come close to this casket.
You lie!
I repeat,
you lie!
Nobody should come close to
you lie! I didn't say you lie. Open this thing.
I've said it countless times.
He's a cultist and he knows what happened to our father.
That is why our people are ongoing. They are ongoing. That is why would you decide to do this to your own mother? Why have you chosen to bring shame upon our family? Hey! Hey!
Arinze.
Zubi is right. Arinze has a skeleton in his cupboard, so he owes us some explanations. Yes.
Don't allow this to happen to me. No matter what God is going to because they don't know what to do. God, hey!
Okay. What kind of nonsense was that? Honora, let's go back inside. I want to see how he's going to bury his father alone.
I am not going back. This is a taboo. How can we be sure that the person in that casket is Chifume?
That is the problem. That is why I want to go.
I was looking for both of you. Yes.
I'm leaving. I can't continue to stay.
But the young man is asking that we stay inside.
Stay back and do what?
Let's go back inside first. Let's go.
Okay, Ga. I will not. Is it because I'm staying with you people here? I'm gone.
Okay, Ga. If he wants to leave, let him leave. Let's go and see what we can find.
It is not okay, Tessie. How can it be okay? Can you imagine what my husband is doing outside? He's embarrassing and insulting himself. Like, I don't even understand. I can't even place it. The brother, he said my husband is a cultist and the ritual is that he killed their father. Can you imagine? You're saying it's a false accusation. Prove it. What can you do to prove that it is false? Because everything happening here, it seems true. What I'm trying to say is that I can't even trust my husband anymore. Like, I do not know my husband anymore. My husband has changed. My husband is not the man I married 5 years ago. Arinze changed ago. This is not the Arinze I married. He's not the man I fell in love with. I don't know him anymore. That's what I'm saying. Like, I'm tired. Can't go. Tessie, you do not understand. I do not have a choice. If my husband had told me something, anything, I would know what to do. But right now, he don't say anything to me. So how will I even, how do you want me to react? What do you want me to do? See this marriage thing, like, I'm tired, I'm done, I'm fed up. He can't go. I'm not safe with anybody. I'm not safe. Okay, tell me, how are you even sure that my husband is not the cause of my childlessness for 5 good years now? How are you sure that he's not the cause of my childlessness? How are you sure? How? Yes, I can hear myself. Tessie, I'm tired. I'm broken. Like, tell me, if the things you're saying, their speculations is not true, why would my husband go to the mortuary by himself single-handedly? Where is it done? That you just go there and bring your father's corpse? Okay, as if that is not enough. You came back and refused people seeing their father's corpse. What can you make of it? It is absurd. Why does it happen? Tessie, I am tired. I swear to God. I am this place. I'm done here. Can't go home. I'm broken. I'm here 5 years. I'm nothing. Like I'm tired.
Elders, tell Orinze to turn this out of this place. Guys, as far as I'm concerned, this thing here is not my father. Tell him to turn it away.
Calm down. Calm down. Let us hear from him. Calm down.
Azubike, if you open this casket, you will turn to gold. If you open this casket, you will turn to gold. Be careful. I'm warning you. You can't do anything. I am the first son here. Trust my judgment and respect my decision. I am warning you.
First son now,
Trust
see the cultist, though.
Oh God, you can't do anything.
This is my father. Whatever I say stands.
These men are cultists. Yes, I saw them in my dreams. They are his fellow cultists. They are his fellow cultists.
They are my friends, not cultists.
Hey! Oh, Chairman! Hey! You hear what he said? He said they are his friends.
Yes.
Please, this cultist will not be here.
Yes. Thank you.
I know this is a charade of a burial ceremony, but I don't want this cultist.
I'm not the only one. I'm dreaming. Chairman, you have to say something about this.
Hold on.
No. I'm a Christian. I cannot allow this to happen. I am a Christian.
Hold on, Christian. St. John. Hold on. Who are they? Your friends.
I said they are my friends.
I am a Christian.
They are here to support me.
Your guys, you say. I am a Christian. Your guys. Ritualists, look at them. Ritualists, look at them.
This boy in a chair.
Okay, I demand you to touch me, officer. You touch me. Talk this now, my business. Talk this now. This is my brother's son. Talk this now. Let nobody touch him. Like we are Christians, we don't accept him. He is my brother's son. He's my brother's son. He's my brother's son. This boy is my brother's son. Allow him. Officer, we are Christians. Officer, shoot upstairs.
Choba kwe wojiri makifonye na maranua ifafo kareria jiri kwe fife choba kwe wojiri makifonye na maranua ifafo kareria. Can't you see, can't you feel it, that your enemy is with you? Can't you see it? Can't you feel it? Your enemy is with it.
It's okay.
I don't know what I've done to Arinze. I don't deserve this wickedness from him. I don't know why he has decided to ruin my family. A family that cost my husband and I our lives to build. And he's just messing it up like that.
Mom, they have taken him away.
Who has taken who away?
The police. Arinze asked them to arrest him. Now they have buried Dad.
Stop talking about that burial. I don't know who or what was in that casket. My husband has not been buried. He's still at the mortuary. He's still at the morgue. If Arinze does not take time, I will curse him forever. Tell him to release my son, else he will face my wrath.
Mom, he left with the 2 remaining policemen after Dad was buried.
Jesus, I don't know if you are mad. I've told you, stop talking about that burial. My own husband has not been buried. His remains is still at the mortuary. When Arinze wants to bury his father, you go and bring his father and bury. For now, no burial.
Shema, are you aware? Are you aware your husband arrested my husband?
And so? What? Why are you telling me this?
Really?
Yes, really.
He is your husband.
Kagini Mezi.
He needs to do something about it.
Biko, my dear, please don't even stress my life. This is your news that you brought now. This news is not important to me. I'm not even interested. Actually, yes. My sister, I'm carrying my own cross. Guru your own. That's your cross. Carry your cross. Don't stress me.
You're carrying a cross, you said. This cross you're talking about is a toy cross compared to the one I will inflict on you. Because I'm going to curse you and your husband if my son has been there passes the night at that police station. The cross we're talking about in case there is a plus. The one I'll give you in Ghana, Obe. That time, Joseph Aramantia carried for Jesus. This time around, you're not carrying it for anybody. You're carrying it for yourself. Idiot. In the Coco cross.
You heard that, right? You heard that? Yeah. Here. Chioma, you look already? Yes. I'm happily married. Oh, yeah. But I wasn't there. I wasn't there. I was on my own. Oh, but Jesus. I will not carry somebody's obe. It's not my portion. Okay. What is it? Ha.
That guy has the guts to touch me.
I couldn't believe it.
I'm going to deal with him. He will know he met Murphy. And Arinze can't even stop me.
Their mother started it. Why would she make such accusation against us?
I don't even care about the mother. I don't care about her. As for that guy, he's going to suffer. I'm not going to stop dealing with him until I'm satisfied.
I have not seen this kind of thing before. Look at all of them. We are against Arinze.
He caused it all. He gave them that soft hand. That's why all of them are misbehaving in that family. I'm the last son of our family. I dare not talk when our first son is talking.
That woman called us courtists. One that they say shall never end.
I don't care about her. She can keep us calling her courtists.
I will not spare Arinze this time. It's no longer a doubt. Arinze is a courtist. And he killed our father.
Arinze is heartless. How could he harm a man that showed him so much love than all of us?
You see that thing he buried in our compound in the name of our father? I am going to exhume it. Just watch and see.
Whatever he buried there is his head and that of his wife.
Now I understand the meaning of those nightmares we've been having ever since the day we lost our dad. God will punish Arinze. Yes. And as for those, his friends, I will make sure, I swear with my life, I will make sure I burn each and every one of them the day they will step with their foot into this house again. Nonsense.
I love the way Mom attacked them. The way Mom attacked them. I so much love it. I love it.
Has Mom slept?
I don't know. I don't know. She has been crying all this while. Let me just go and check her.
Let's go together.
Okay.
This is almost midnight, and my husband, who claimed he buried his father today, is still outside. Arinze, you owe me 1,000,000 explanations. Else, I will quit this marriage.
It's with you. Can't you see it? Can't you feel it?
How are you? What is it? Why are you moping at me like that? Are you okay? What is it? Why are you not talking?
The only thing I want to hear you say right now is to tell me what happened here today.
Not again. I will explain to you when the time is right. I will explain everything.
The time is right now. Arinze, I want to know what happened here today.
My love, listen, you can't force me to talk when I don't want to. Calm down. I will explain everything to you when the time is right.
And by the way, where are you coming from?
I was with my friends.
Are you a cultist?
Jesus Christ. Even you? If everybody's accusing me of being a cultist, you are my wife. Please don't join them.
Why won't I join them? Everything here today says otherwise. It happened here today. I'm confused.
Listen, love. I know I've been acting strange. People are suspecting me, including you. Fine and good. You have every right to suspect me. But as your husband, trust me, believe in me. I said I will explain when the time is right. I will explain to you, Mom, Azubike, little sis, including the Omona. Trust me now.
I don't even know you anymore. This is not the man I fell in love with and married years ago. I don't even know you anymore.
Everybody's judging me.
I don't know you anymore.
Everybody's attacking me. The pressure is too much. This attack is too much on me. I'm innocent of all these accusations. Papa Mo, yeah, Remaka. Everybody's judging me based on their dreams. Everybody's attacking me based on their feelings. Even my loved ones based on their dreams.
What's wrong with this one?
Based on their feelings.
Why is everybody running away at this time? This whole thing is
everybody's judging me, Papa. Everybody's attacking me, Papa. Everybody's judging me.
That was exactly what happened, though.
I'm very surprised as I heard all those things. Eh?
So what are we going to do now? What's the problem?
We can't do more than what we're supposed to do.
Anyway, I have been saying it and nobody cares to listen.
And if they care not, it's not Arinze.
It should be the one.
My elders. Why are you people looking at me like that? Okay. Why are they running? Why is everybody avoiding me? What was he doing in Mommy's room at that ungodly hour?
I don't know. I trust Mom. She banged the door on his face.
I swear I'll kill that boy if anything happens to my mom. I must.
He knows he cannot try it. He can't do it. He left this early morning.
Good. There is no peace for the wicked. That is how he will continue to run around until he confesses his evil. Yes.
That guy get mind.
Idiot.
Eh? That guy gets mind. The memories of what he did yesterday will remain evergreen in my mind.
I am sure Arinze has mutilated Daddy's body. And that is why he never wanted to release that mortuary receipt. And he instructed the mortuary attendant never to allow any member of our family to see Dad's corpse.
He must explain to us what happened to our father. He must. He must. Ah.
There is more to this. And I must find out.
Ogini,
That's my wife's voice.
What happened to you? I don't know.
What is it?
I don't know.
What happened?
Nothing.
Did you fall down?
No. So what happened? I don't know. I don't know.
Let's rush her to the hospital before it is too late. You heard what your sister said. Take her to the hospital immediately.
Why is this happening?
Let's see what we can salvage fast. Sorry.
What am I wrong?
You have not wronged anybody. It's okay. Sorry. Careful.
Chukwu okike abịa ma ekene ngụ chefu. Asago house ago hono. Amụ abụ dog. Udog frog jiri nni na kpoku. Anasị gị biko na okirikiri ka na agbakwa nnukwu ose adị arị enu anya fụrụ agụ na abụ ọsọ. Mbamba ka na abara agụ anya dị afọ ntị ya bụrụ ọgwụ ụnụ gwọrọ m ya ka ifere me ndị iro m. Nnasị biko ọ dị njọ n'iru ka nọrọ n'azụ ọ dị njọ n'azụ nọrọ n'iru. Ọ dị njọ n'iru dị n'azụ ka nọrọ n'etiti a na-abụ. Olu mee ka ndị ka aka oyibo n'aka oyibo ka Chukwu ka ife ya na-eri. Ite adị akọrọ n'ama. Mmanya ka dị achị ngwu ogwu osisi nyanwa nwa ka nna ndị akwụkwọ.
Because of envy, you give because of jealousy. Your enemy.
I've been a shadow at you. Uncle. Uncle. Uncle.
If I forgot it, can't you see? Can't you feel it? That your enemy is with you. Can't you see it? Can't you feel it? Your enemy is with you. You kill because of envy.
Arinze, why have you vowed to destroy this family? What have we done to you?
What are you talking about?
Oh, you don't know what I'm talking about? Arinze, look at my wife here. She had another miscarriage this morning. And this is the 5th miscarriage.
Am I a doctor? Why are you telling me all this?
Arinze, it is now that I know that I've been staying with my brother who has been sucking the blood of my born kids.
Azubike, withdraw that statement.
Well, why will he withdraw it? Tell me why he should withdraw that statement when it's a statement of fact.
Mom, are you supporting him?
Of course I should support him even more. You are the one doing it. Look at it in your eyes.
That I'm responsible for his wife's miscarriages.
Of course you are the one sucking the blood of the babies.
What will I gain by eating my brother's wife unborn children? I don't get it. Am I a vampire?
Who knows? Ask yourself.
Mom, listen real good. Enough is enough. These accusations has to stop. Please, enough is enough.
Arinze.
What nonsense.
Arinze, listen to me. You are a cultist. And the best thing for you to do now is for you to confess your evil. Because you see the blood of these my unborn kids, they must fight you in your grave.
So shall
That's me.
And if I'm innocent and you're accusing me wrongly, it shall return to you in billionfold.
Back to sender! You will spat blood before you go rest of your life.
Look at you've been sucking her blood.
I will not, even if I'm a vampire, I
You won't suck her blood.
Even if I'm a vampire.
This is the 5th miscarriage. Arinze, what have I done to you? What have I done to you, Arinze?
My friend, go and see a doctor and stop making noise. If not that you're my brother, I will throw you out of this house one day.
So how do
you can't do
try go there.
You can't do anything. Nonsense, useless fool.
And why are you not picking your calls?
I do not want to take the calls. Let it keep ringing.
Your husband, right?
Yes. I'm sure he has seen my note. Let him stay put in his house. Since he has refused to talk to me, I don't want problems. I want to have peace. My mental health is in check.
You know, if you had told me about your decision, I would have asked you to please wait a little more. Just
for how more? How much longer do I need to wait? I'm tired. I'm confused. I don't get it. It is getting out of hand. Every day it keeps getting worse. I'm tired, please.
Well, I'm not trying to blame you. I understand how you feel. Seriously, I do.
Baby, truth be said. If he likes, let him call from now to Jerusalem. For eternity, I would not seek his calls. But please, babe, I want to beg for something.
What?
Peradventure, my husband comes here to ask about me. Please, tell him that you don't know my whereabouts. Please.
Wait. Do you think your husband will come here looking for you?
Of course. You're the only friend I have, and he knows that if I'm in the house, I'll be here. He will come here, most definitely. He will come here.
Chioma, do you think your husband is a cultist? Like, do you actually believe your husband is a cultist?
Baby, to be truthful, I don't know. Like, I am so confused. My husband is not saying anything to me. Everything is just going AYZ. Like, I don't understand. Fine, he might be innocent. But how can I even prove that? Or how can I ascertain that? I don't know. I'm confused. I don't know.
It's fine.
I don't know.
It's okay. Good thing you are here. You can stay here and cool off your head. I believe with time, everything will be fine.
I hope so.
Definitely.
Sincerely.
Definitely.
It's okay.
Jimmy.
Chifuma, I am surprised to see you. I hope all is well. You didn't inform me you are coming. All of a sudden, you just... I hope all is well. You're not saying anything. Oh, okay. Are you angry because of what Arinze is doing? Your son. What? What is it? What have I done?
I am here to kill.
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me, Chief. Chief, don't kill me.
Uncle, good afternoon, sir.
See, how long have you been here?
Are you okay? What is going on?
I'm alright.
You were screaming, Chief, don't kill me. Chief, please don't kill me. What is happening?
Me? Did I?
Yes!
Sorry, it was just a bad dream. It was a dream. So I hope all is well.
Anyway, I'm here for an important discussion. Yes.
What is it?
Something very terrible happened today in our family.
What happened?
Arinze has done it again. My wife had another miscarriage this morning. Yes. Hey! And this is the 5th one, Uncle. I am not happy. I am not happy, Uncle.
Miscarriage? Your wife had a miscarriage?
Yes. Uncle, I never knew that Arinze has been the one eating my unborn kids.
So, let us be careful. How are you sure that your brother, Arinze, has been the one causing all these havoc, as it were?
Uncle, you listen, you asking me this question is like asking me, how did I know that Arinze killed our father? Uncle, Arinze is a cultist. And he's capable of doing anything. Okay, let me shock you. Are you aware that his wife left him this afternoon? You see?
Arinze's wife left?
Call him now and ask him about his wife.
Hey, if I can't have one day, can I for me for
Anyway, Uncle, I'm not here for this talk. Yes. Uncle, I've had it up here. And I'm no longer happy with this whole situation. Uncle, I'll bring up this matter tomorrow before our Umunas meeting tomorrow. Arinze must swear an oath for us.
How?
Yes.
Oh, if I can't want a joke, and I'm Papa for me,
Mom, what if Arinze is innocent of the accusation leveled against him?
And what nonsense are you talking about?
Mom, we have no concrete evidence against him.
But what? What are you talking about?
Mom, we need to verify this.
Really? Where have you been all this while? We just came back from the moon. Didn't you see he seized your father's corpse for over a year and now and refused anyone from going to see him at the morgue? Only for him to sneak to the mortuary at the end of the day to go bring your father's corpse all by himself with armed men. You didn't see that?
Mom, but...
Shut up, I am not done talking. How he refused your father to be laid in state for people to come and see him and pay their last respect. You have also forgotten how I've told you countless times how I've seen your brother in my dreams, dressed like a cultist. What other evidence do you need? What other concrete evidence do you need to prove what we are saying?
Mom, okay, what about the one Azubike accused him of eating his unborn children?
I should answer that too.
Oh, do you want me to prove that to you?
Okay.
Do you want me to prove that to you? I see you've decided to turn around and start supporting Arinze. Oh yes.
I am not siding anyone. I'm just being neutral.
My dear sister, you are not being any neutral. Rather, you have compromised with Arinze. Oh yes. But let me ask you something. How much did Arinze offer you to speak for him?
You know I'm not like that.
Sister, will you shut up and close this matter? I don't want to hear anything about this matter henceforth.
Mom, I don't like when someone accuses me of what I do not do.
Oh.
Eh?
Oh, you're angry?
Why won't I be angry? Please, I don't like this. Stop it. Don't try this thing next time.
Will you shut up?
Why will you be talking to me like that? Are you mad? Eh? The next time you open that mouth again, I will slap the hell out of you.
You will not do anything.
I told you to keep quiet.
Mom!
Do not raise this matter again. Going forward, anything you see concerning this matter, I come and draw you.
Mom, talk to him.
If I slap, are you mad? Mom, better talk to her.
I won't talk to her again because I've been talking to her.
Why do I keep having this urge to go back to my husband? This thought in me keeps accusing me of doing the wrong thing by running away from my husband. My phone has been switched off since yesterday because he kept calling me without ceasing.
Chioma, did you switch off your phone?
Why do you ask?
Your husband called. He said your line has been switched off since yesterday.
That's true.
How do you intend to achieve what you want by switching off your line? Just tell me. How would you know if he had decided to talk to you?
He has not. Let's say he has not. He's only calling to beg me to come back to the house, and that's not what I want.
What do you want?
I want to know who my husband is. I'm confused.
Give him the chance to do that. Allow him to explain things to you. Give him the chance. Just put on your phone, Chioma.
Tessie, you are confusing me.
How?
I thought you were my friend. Like, on what side are you now? Listen, Arisa is a cultist. Yes, and he must admit it to me. He has to admit it to me.
How sure are you? How do you know? What if this guy is innocent? What if this guy is not a cultist? What if you're making a very big mistake? What if your husband doesn't have a hand in his father's death? What if? I believe you will hide your face in shame if that comes out to be lie.
I do not understand. Why are you sounding this way? Wait a minute. Has my husband bribed you? Like, why did he say to you over the phone?
Chioma, you should know me better. Your husband called and he said he wants to talk to you. That's all.
And did you tell him that I was here?
Chioma, put on your phone and talk to your husband. I beg of you. Switch on your phone and talk to your husband. Don't say I didn't tell you. I told you, switch on your phone and talk to your husband.
This girl is hiding something, definitely. Like, I'm so sure. What? Tessie! 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 Tessie!
Why is my wife's phone not connecting up till now? Why is she doing this? I wanted her to be the first person to know everything before anyone else.
I'm leaving.
What is it?
Letter from Humuna.
Drop it here.
But, excuse me. Can I make you something to eat?
Chizoba,
Brother?
is that question coming from you?
Yes, brother.
I'm not hungry. I'm fine.
But are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah, good night.
Moise, Kindred, Ujoto, Arinze Ume. An invitation for an oath-taking ceremony. You are hereby invited for the meeting of the above-mentioned organization, which you are a member, on the 19th of this month, for an oath-taking ceremony in regards to some accusation leveled against you by your family members. Arinze, come along with a carton of beer, 4 kola nuts, and a keg of palm wine. Thank you, Mr. John Egboy, the chairman.
Has he gone through the letter?
I don't know. I left after the letter.
Who is calling you?
Brother.
Arinze,
Yes, Mom.
why is he calling you?
I don't know. Hello? Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay, yes. Okay.
What is the meaning of that? You don't want us to know who is calling you? Which one is okay, yes, okay, yes?
Even what they're discussing, she's trying to cover
Huh?
what they're discussing.
What is the meaning of that?
She doesn't want us to know
do you
what
mean
they
by
discussed.
What's wrong with you? Why do you keep on suspecting someone over nothing?
If I slap your face, Margo, like if I bust your head, it's like you don't have respect.
Don't do anything.
What?
Mom, mind the way you snap back at your elder brother. He is not your mate.
Mom, so why is he accusing me of nothing?
No,
What is
Mom.
wrong with you?
Mom, don't mind her. Leave her, I'll just beat her
Will you
blue
shut
and
up?
black now. This is your fear.
You have respect.
Mom, good night, See you guys tomorrow.
Good evening. Why are you always acting childish?
I don't understand. What is the meaning of this? You suddenly want to see me because you've seen the letter from the woman. Oga, you must take that oath before the woman. Nothing can stop it. Yes.
Why are you always behaving like a child?
Oh, Arinze, can you stop this nonsense, please? I'm not ready for this. Stop this.
Guys, sit down, my friend.
Why are you always ready for fight? If you touch me again, I'll slap your face. I'll bust your head down. Don't just touch me.
Bust the right.
I'll bust your head.
Bust the right.
I'll slap you.
Guys, sit down.
Just touch me and see what
Sit down.
happens. Arinze, watch yourself. Be very careful with me. Useless boy. Idiot. Okay, free me, I beg.
I'm coming downstairs, you're going upstairs. Starting when? Why are you always behaving like a child? Why are you always behaving like a baby?
Are you my boss?
Please sit down.
Please get up.
Sit down. Wait. Sit down.
Slap your face. Mind yourself. Idiot. Useless guy.
You need to send this boy back to school.
Oh, you think you're wise? Nonsense.
Simple instruction, you not listen to God.
Jesus,
Or you want me to respect you?
Oh, Jesus, I'm coming for you.
You don't do anything.
Small idiot.
You don't do
I'm coming for
anything.
you.
Big idiot.
What?
Come down and fight me, brother is here.
No, brother.
Sit down here, let me see.
Come, better talk.
Go back.
Come now. Let me
Better talk to her.
Come
Go
now.
back.
Why are you stopping?
Idiot.
Come now. Bushman, you need to go back to school.
You're very stupid.
You're acting so childish.
You're very stupid.
You need to go back to school.
I'll shut your life.
Send him back to school.
I'll shut your
I
life.
blame you for this.
Look at me.
Send him back to school.
Nonsense.
He's full of unnecessary drama. At your age and stage, you're not good.
Useless guy.
Mom, send this boy back to
You
school.
need to beat this boy.
Send yourself first. Go to school first.
Beautiful.
Have a humane heart first.
Beautiful.
Oh, babe,
I'm sorry.
what kept you for so long?
I'm so sorry, my dear. I said to just visit a friend before I go to the market. I'm sorry, I know you are very hungry by now.
I am famished, extremely famished. Oh, babes, like this, why eat? I don't understand though. Because it's.
Where's the bad thing?
Abi?
Let me quickly prepare something for you.
Thank you.
One more thing. I met a friend from your husband's side. He told me that your husband's people summoned your husband to Abora Shrine in 3 days' time.
My husband?
Mm-hmm. They said that his people want him to swear to prove his innocence. In Abora Shrine, I know what that means.
Wait. And did my husband agree to that?
That's what I don't know and he didn't tell me. You know that Abora is a very dangerous deity. Like it kills instantly if the person's hands aren't clean.
And Rinze should not go there and swear. If he knows that his hands are not clean, he should not go and swear to any oath. He should not go and swear.
Chioma, you said that you still care about your husband. You still care, so what is stopping you from talking to him? Switch on your phone and talk to your husband. Support him, he needs you now. I don't know what is wrong with you. Call him and talk to him. Support him when he needs you. Let me tell you something. Call him.
Shrine. Swear.
I was with Iroko yesterday.
Is the wife back?
No, he said his people are taking him to the shrine for an oath taking.
Really? Has it gotten to that level?
Oh, you think it's a small case? Those people are out to deal with Iroko.
I'll not go there if I were him.
But that's the only option to prove his innocence.
Now, wow. I've not seen this kind of family matter before.
It's really serious matter.
Very serious. Ah.
Honey, what happened? Why is mommy crying? Honey? Honey, talk to me.
Arinze is innocent.
What?
So please, forgive me. Forgive me in every way I've made your life miserable for these past months. I am sorry. It has been your uncle that has been responsible for all the calamities we've been going through. Yet we accused you falsely. I accused you.
My uncle.
What are you talking about?
Oh, he has confessed.
Confessed to what?
He's responsible for everything.
What?
Including our father's death.
Yes, he killed your father.
Who is the man?
Uncle Dog.
My uncle.